got it.
This transmission is coming to you.
You've got it. You've got it.
All right, you are go.
You've got it.
All right, you are go. All right, you are go.
What did I tell you? 88 miles per hour!
We're bringing you a Sturgis show today. On average, the town has 6,000 people in it, a little over 6,000. When we've gone to Sturgis before, there'll be about 400,000 people. Well, this year, they're talking about 1 million to 1.5 million because it's the 75th anniversary.
I rode for miles and miles, baby. I rode through lightning and rain. They're gonna...
My friend George, he's been going to Sturgis for 17 years. He has this Harley too. Well, last year when he was down in Sturgis, there was a strong girl competition there, and this woman's supposed to be the strongest girl in the world. So what they did, they took 2 Harley Davidsons. Luckily, they picked George's bike. They had him on one side, the other motorcycle on the other, strapped this girl up, and then both bikes just hit the throttle.
Look at all this smoke and burning rubber everywhere.
So we're going to do a little bit of history on Lakeside Speedway and tell all about Lakeside and when it first came about. We're down at the 10th annual Dave Kohliger's Car Show. Tons of cars came down to this. Just a lot of stuff going on today. This is an incredible car and an incredible story. What can you tell us about this car? I love this car.
It's a 32 Ford Roadster.
Okay.
It comes from 7 different states in parts.
Oh, geez.
And
Wow.
the motor has a lot of history because it used to run at Lakeside Speedway.
Oh, wow.